Parents as Teachers is working to reverse an alarming trend that shows Black women are more likely to die of pregnancy and childbirth-related complications than white women. The reason? Studies point to social factors and racial disparities in women's health care. Tonight in the Fox Files, Shirley Washington joins us now live from the nonprofit with what's being done to solve this problem. Shirley?
Well, Mandy, Parents as Teachers is offering a doula program to women, especially Black women in under-resourced communities. The goal is simple yet significant: help them survive their pregnancies and give birth to healthy babies.
I was very nervous.
Michaela Irvin was excited and a bit apprehensive when she found out she was pregnant.
I was worried about labor and delivery.
She went to Parents as Teachers National Center and enrolled in a doula program to learn how to express her concerns and how to navigate the healthcare system.
With this being my first pregnancy, a lot is scary to me, so I want to feel understood and heard. If I'm saying that I'm in pain, I need you to believe me and not take that lightly, take it serious.
Tara Irvin is Michaela's doula.
I am a trained professional that offers support to birthing mothers.
Irvin says she became a certified full-spectrum doula after experiencing a devastating loss.
My sister died in 1996. She lost her life while giving birth to my nephew. She was suffering a lot of pain and she was very swole. She expressed this to her doctor. She also went to the hospital.
Irvin says her sister was given medication for a bladder infection, medical advice, and sent home.
It was felt as if her concerns just went unnoticed.
A couple of days later, Irvin says her sister died from toxemia poisoning.
It still hurts to this day because she should still be here.
It is a necessity.
Constance Gully, president and CEO of Parents as Teachers, says doulas help pregnant women manage their pain and develop birthing plans that help save lives.
Statistically, Black women are 3 times as likely to die from a maternal cause than white women. That is the national average.
Parents as Teachers has 5 certified full-spectrum doulas on staff who work with expectant moms prenatally through labor and delivery and postpartum.
The services that we're providing are reaching young families and children that would not, one, even know of a resource to access a doula or be able to afford to pay for it.
Tara Irvin says she works as a doula to honor her sister's legacy and to help women, especially Black women, have positive birthing outcomes.
I want them to know that they do have somebody in their corner and that we're going to advocate for them on their behalf, and we're also going to teach them to advocate for themselves.
That's something Michaela says she is now empowered to do, thanks to the doula program and her doula, who happens to be her aunt.
I feel like I'm more comfortable because we've been working up a birthing plan and I've been able to ask questions and learn a lot, so I feel a lot better about it.
Now, Parents as Teachers is offering the doula program to communities throughout the St. Louis area and to maternal shelters throughout the Gateway City area region. And while the program is free of charge, there are requirements that must be met. For more information, go to our website, fox2now.com. In Maryland Heights, I'm Shirley Washington, Fox 2 News.